am super excited because we will be doing an unboxing of my second BoxyCharm monthly beauty subscription, yes! And as you all know, I got the $25 package, which consists of 5 full-size products. So without further ado, let's unbox this beauty, yes! And here she is! Oh my gosh, look at that, yes! And let's see what's inside the card. So, the first product is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. I believe this is the one! And it says in here, create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hypermetallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. The suggested retail price of this is $30. Oh my gosh, let's open this together. This one says that it's made in China. There we go. Oh, I love the packaging of this. It's color pink, like a pinky purple, one of my favorite colors. And here she is. Look at that. Now let's open it. Oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty. So many shimmers and so pretty mattes as well. And what I'm gonna do is now every week, I'll do my best to review one product so we can really focus on the product itself and maximizing the benefits of it. Yes! And the second product to unbox here is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, which is this. And what it says in here is that it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid, I love that ingredient, and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. Oh my gosh. And the suggested retail price of this, $38. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging of this. And this one actually says that it's made in the USA. So now let's see how it looks like inside, right? And oh my gosh, I don't want to like break this box, but there you go. And it actually says in here that it's farmer cultivated, scientist activated, and I actually haven't tried this brand, so I'm so excited. Perhaps I'll use this coming summer. And look how pretty she is! Oh my god! So we're gonna be doing a one product review of this one of these days, and I'll tell you all about it. Super excited for this moisturizer. Oh my gosh! Look at that. The first 2 products of this box so far, it's amazing! And the second product is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise Palette, which is this. Oh my gosh. And it says in here, the Bronze in Paradise Bronzer Palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. There you go. And this one is made in PRC, People's Republic of China. Yes. And then let's open it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that! It's so beautiful! And as a makeup artist who really loves makeup, I can't wait to go in depth with this 4 bronzers in the palette! Yes! I'm so excited! Oh my gosh! So now, time for the 4th product. The 4th product here is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I'm so excited. I love an eye cream. And it says in here, this deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes for all skin types. And the suggested retail price of this is $82. Oh my god, as a 41 years old transgender woman, I really need this. Oh my gosh, and just so you know, Dr. Brand is a very, very, very good skincare product. I mean, seriously. So this one really, it sealed the deal for this package. And now the last product here is, oh by the way, the Dr. Brand is made in the USA. Yes. And now the last product here is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. And this one says that this is essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips, and the suggested retail price of this is $33. And this one is made in the USA! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is quite interesting. Instructions for use. In cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. Yes! Look at that. Now let's open it. Here she is! Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty with this green and orange packaging. And again, I'll be giving you an individual product review so we can really focus and give love on each of these items. So, what's my verdict on my second box of BoxyCharm? It's a winner! Yes! Why is it a winner? First and foremost, I'm just so happy with everything that I got here because it's everything that I can use. My number one favorite is the Dr. Brand Eye Cream. I mean, seriously, I think I forgot to open this a while ago. Look, it comes in a tube and this is so big. This one alone is like $82. And then my second favorite here, I believe, is the Moisturizer. I haven't used this brand, but it seems like a good one. Oh my gosh. And then I'm looking forward to using the lip balm. And I'm sorry, the bronzer alone is also very good. I mean, and also, I can't wait to use this eyeshadow! So yes, it's 5 stars! So, if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and more makeup tutorials. And again, this is Allycat Castle saying, let's all be kind and let's all be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are without makeup. And I love you! Yes!